Hello, 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 hello mga ka-YouTube! Kumusta na kayo dyan? Sa aking mga subscribers, here I am again. So, nandito tayo guys, nandito po tayo sa Goldsworth Medical Practice. Yan po yung kanilang building. Yan. Kagagaling ko lang dyan mga kapatid. Okay? So, ngayon, nag-aantay tayo ng ating masasakyan na taxi. So, ayan guys. Ayan oh. Yung ma'am, oh, yan yung pinupuntahan niya yung Goldsworth Medical Practice. Okay? So, ayan guys, oh. Pasyalan natin ha. Ayan ang aming health center dito. Okay. So, Goldsworth Park Health Center. So, galing po ako dyan, guys, kasi meron po akong appointment for my blood test. Inshallah, hopefully, maganda po ang resulta ng ating blood works. So, yun po, guys, ang ating background. So, nandito po tayo sa Green Country, which is United Kingdom. Daming kahoy, guys. Ayan. Kikita nyo. So, medyo malamig ang panahon ngayon. So, ayan. Ating buhok ano sa hangin. Okay, mag-jacket na ako guys kasi ang lamig. Super. Okay. Sa hindi pa nag-subscribe guys, please subscribe. Miss Anyuki Vlog. And paki-share sa inyong mga friends. So, out there guys, doon yung Waitrose, yun yung maliit na mall. Yeah. So, nandito po tayo. Nag-aabang po tayo sa ating taxi driver. Okay? I hope you like my video for today and paki-subscribe. Sa hindi pa nag-subscribe, paki-follow. So, please try to watch the whole video and make comments and like. And please share it to your friends, guys. Okay? We have car wash over there. Okay, and thank you. So, this is the chair na aking inupuan. Tinan mo yung aking jacket na lupot na. Mag-jacket na tayo kasi medyo malamig na. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Okay, guys. Ang purpose ko pagpunta dito is to have my blood works. Kaya, yun. Nag-aantay tayo kung ano ang resulta. Okay? Hopefully, guys, maganda po ang result ng ating blood works. Yeah. At bigyan pa po tayo ng lakas ng ating Panginoon. Thank you very much and thank you once again. Love you. Miss Anyuki Vlog. Babush. Bye for now.